Good morning class, welcome to e-learning again. I am your English teacher Madhulika and I will discuss today some important topic of English literature. As there are so many confusion what will come or what will not. Class, pre-periodic syllabus will not come but you must have to complete it, but it will not come in your periodic exam. So first what you have to do, you have to learn that is important periodic syllabus. In literature from chapter number 3rd will come, means chapter number 3rd Robinson Crusoe, and then Becoming Great, and two poems Saw Grabs and The Sky Lark will come. You have to learn minimum 5 lines with poet name. It will come as a fill up or as a lines you have to write, means minimum 4 to 5 lines will come, and you must have to learn poet name also. So only two poems you have to learn, The Skylark and the Saw Grabs. And exercise number 3rd Robinson Crusoe. So only five question answer you have to learn, and then sorry class, all question answer you have to learn of Robinson Crusoe, which you have noted down in your copy, and then word meaning, question answer, and then poem Saw Grabs and word meaning, and then exercise of page number 44, that is, can you write the following full form, means short form of helping verb, means third form of pronoun and helping verb. He will, has not, that will, all these you must have to learn such type of words, because it will be very easier to write even and also to speak, and maybe it will come in your exam because it is your syllabus. Now, so what you have to write in poem Saw Grabs, poem, word meaning, and exercise number A of page number 44. And then Becoming Great, chapter number 4, Becoming Great. Then you have to write here word meaning and question answer, word meaning and question answer, and bus, only word meaning and question answer of this chapter you have to write and you have to learn. Then poem The Sky Lark, you have to write the poem and learn it with poet name, and also write the word meaning. And in reader book, what you have to do class, reader book chapter number 3rd and chapter number 4 will come. In chapter number 3rd there is only 2 exercise, Dorothy opinion. So 2 exercise, take the right answer, and rhyming word, you have to learn these 2 exercise. And in chapter number 4 there is only 1 exercise, take the right answer, that will come in your exam, so you have to learn it. And workbook, in workbook class you have to do only exercise Robinson Crusoe, exercise number 1st, then exercise number 2nd, then exercise number 3rd, and then exercise number 1st of page number 32, that is match the column. Then Saw Grabs, in Saw Grabs you have to write exercise number 1st, and then underline exercise number 3rd of page number 34, underline the predicate in the following. And in Becoming Great you have to just write only 1 exercise, that is underline transitive verb and intransitive verb. And in Skylark you have to write only 1 exercise on page number 40, exercise number 1st, page number 40, exercise number 1st. Class, within 2 days you all have to complete this work and show me it. From tomorrow there will be your revision test. I will give you some question and then you have to give answer. And one thing class, don't ask any unnecessary question sending audio clip in the class, and don't send your work after 8:30, because after 8:30 there will be your math period and then any next period. So class, send only your work, send only within 8:30, and don't send me any work personally. You have to just send it in the given time only. So complete your work class, and from tomorrow there will be a test, but today you have to send me your work. I will check only chapter number 3rd and 4th of literature, and chapter number 3rd and 4 in reader, and chapter number 3rd and 4 in course book. Means today I will check only your literature work. Then after then you have to give me your language work.